How to log in DBS Bank Mobile Banking app. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can get logged into your DBS Bank Mobile Banking app. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Play Store from your device and at the top search bar, type in DBS DG Bank. As you do so, this is the app that we are looking forward to download. Tap on install, and once the installation process is completed, tap on Open. At this page, simply tap on Login and then enter your user ID and your PIN and tap on to Login. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully get logged into your DBS Bank account. And this is how you can do it. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.